once again. Welcome to my channel. This is Bridget here. So actually I thought I'll just show you how to make a very simple Anglo-Indian fish vindaloo from this book of mine, which is Anglo-Indian cuisine, a legacy of flavors from the past. Okay, so it's very basic ingredients. We need fish. Today it's just 300 grams. Ginger and garlic paste, chopped onions, then cumin powder, chili powder depending on how hot you want your curry to be, turmeric powder. I use synthetic vinegar and some tomato puree or tomato paste, and salt to taste. Come, let's begin. So I'm heating like 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. So once your oil is hot, you can add in your chopped onions, which is like 2 medium-sized onions that I've chopped. Fry this well. Fry your onions well. So while your onions are frying, I'm going to make a paste with all the ingredients. So first of all, we'll use 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and make it into a paste. Okay, I made it into a slurry. So we'll wait for the onions to fry well. So as you can see, the onions are frying really well. So now at this stage, we can add a ginger garlic paste. So I've taken like 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. You know that vindaloo is a legacy from the Portuguese to Anglo-Indian food, Anglo-Indian cuisine, and it came from the 2 main ingredients in it, which is garlic and vinegar. So that's why we need to have quite a bit of garlic in our vindaloos. So keep frying well. Try to make your ginger garlic paste at home with fresh root ginger and fresh garlic. You could use 100 grams of each and grind it in your mixie and leave it in your fridge. It lasts for quite a while. You can see that it's browning well. Now what we do is we'll add a slurry of the chili powder, turmeric, and the cumin that we've added with vinegar. So we'll add this now and fry it. this has to be fried really well till the raw smell goes. You could lower your heat and fry it till you'll add some water. And we fry till the oil separates from the mixture. That's when you know that your curry paste or your masala is done. So now I'm going to add in this tomato paste. I'm adding like 2 teaspoons. You could add fresh tomatoes or which are chopped or puree, or for convenience sake you could just add some ready-made tomato paste. You can see that our vindaloo is looking nice and red. Now many people don't use tomatoes, but I like to use tomatoes in my vindaloo because I like a bit of gravy. So now I'm going to add in like a half a bowl of water and bring it to boil. Add your salt, don't forget. Salt to taste. Bring this to boil. Now you can add as much water as you want depending on how much gravy that you would like your dish to have. So you've got to remember that we add our fish only after the gravy comes to a boil. Okay, we can see that our gravy is nicely boiling. So at this stage, we'll add in our fish. And we just let it simmer. Okay, I just used around 300 grams because it's just for one person. So now what we do is we just cover and simmer for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, now you can see that our fish curry is done. Please don't overcook it or the fish will break in your curry. One more thing I have to mention, that the recipe for vindaloo differs from family to family, community to community, from region to region. So Anglo-Indian vindaloo may be different in Bangalore and different in Calcutta. This is my way of making an Anglo-Indian fish vindaloo. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please like and share this video if you liked it.